Welcome back. In this video, we're making a prosciutto and goat cheese dip. For the topping, 10 to 12 cocktail tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic glaze, 1.5 tablespoons of chives, and then season with some salt and pepper. For the dip, 2 10-ounce logs of goat cheese, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup olive oil, puree until smooth. Yeah, so the blender's not working. Transfer into a food processor that is way too small, and do it that way. Place the cheese mixture into a baking dish, fold in a few slices of prosciutto, bake 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. On goes the tomatoes, serve with toasted baguette slices, and there we have it, prosciutto and goat cheese dip. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.